By Tracy Aiken. Are you trying to find some dating suggestions to alleviate your way back into the song scene? Dating after your divorce can be daunting, not just logistically, however likewise mentally. How will the kids respond? How does a single person dress and act? It's uncharted territory, however it can be really gratifying to step outside your convenience zone. Dating as a single parent is a whole various ballgame than it was prior to you had kids. These ideas can assist you get going on the ideal foot. 1. Recognize that you are entitled to have a life. It can sometimes look like everybody has a viewpoint about whether you ought to date or not. If your kids are young, simply think of the number of years you'll be out of the dating scene prior to they leave house. If you feel ready to date, there is no reason to wait for the best time or till the nest is empty. 2. Anticipate some resistance. Do not anticipate your kids to be satisfied when you initially start dating. It's a natural response. Sit down with them and acknowledge their sensations. Discuss that you enjoy them, however you likewise like to spend time with your good friends, much like they do. Not dating out of guilt simply makes you a martyr. And as the adult, you get to decide and not your kids. When you're on a date, focus on your date. As a single mama, it's simple for your whole life to be wrapped up in your kids. However, they should not be the main subject of conversation throughout your date. Spend some time to discover out about this new man, his interests, work, and pastimes. 4. Your kids do not need to satisfy every brand new man. Kids get uneasy when there's a parade of men taking their mommy out. It's a great idea to keep your dates private till things begin to buckle down. Doing otherwise can wind up making your kids angry or envious. When it's time for the kids to meet this terrific new male, make it a casual meeting somewhere aside from house. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.